And in news from Tamil Nadu, assembly polls are just a few months away and the chorus for Rajinikanth's political debut is rising. Hindu Makkal Katchi leader has now claimed that Rajini will make the big announcement in January 2021.
With election fever gripping the state of Tamil Nadu, the chorus for superstar Rajinikanth's entry into politics is rising. And adding to all of the speculation is Hindu Makkal Katchi leader Arjun Sampath, who claims that the superstar will make the much-awaited announcement in January 2021.
இது விஷயத்திலே சூப்பர் மிக தெளிவான கருத்துக்களை கூறியிருக்கிறார். 2021 சட்டமன்ற தேர்தல் தான் இலக்கு. அவர் அரசியல் பிரவேசத்தின் போதே அறிவித்து விட்டார். தனித்துத்தான் போட்டி, அதையும் தெளிவுபடுத்தி விட்டார். 234 தொகுதியிலும் ஜனநாயக போர்க்களத்தில் நமது வேட்பாளர்கள் இருப்பார்கள் என்பதையும் தெளிவுபடுத்தி விட்டார்.
Only 10 days back, Rajini's close aide Thamizharavi Maniyan, president of the Gandhi Makkal Iyakam, in a statement on Gandhi Jayanti, asked the people of Tamil Nadu to gear up for a Rajini revolution. Maniyan put out a statement saying, and I quote, "Let us support the entry of Rajinikanth into politics on Gandhi Jayanti and Kamarajar's anniversary." But nothing happened on Gandhi Jayanti, and it remains to be seen if Rajini will indeed make the big announcement in January. It's been, remember, 3 years since the superstar announced that he is entering politics. Since then, however, it's been pin-drop silence. In 2017, Rajini, during his fan association meet, had confirmed that he's entering politics.
ஆதாயத்துக்காக நான் சப்போர்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அவங்க கிட்ட வந்து சொல்றது, அதுக்காக நான் ஒவ்வொரு எலெக்ஷன் வரும்போதும் என்னுடைய ஆதரவு யாருக்கும் இல்லை அப்படின்ற சூழ்நிலைக்கு நான் தள்ளப்படுறேன்.
The buzz was strong in March 2020 that Rajini would finally launch his political party, but his press conference was a damp squib. Rajini fans are now itching with anticipation for some news. A series of posters recently were seen across Vellore, Madurai and Coimbatore, urging him to enter politics and contest the upcoming state elections.
The only person who can, with any kind of authority, say whether Rajinikanth is entering politics anymore is Mr. Rajinikanth himself. And over the last, 1 or 2 months, we've not even had a single announcement from the man himself. I think to a large extent, people and even the media is sort of tiring of his constantly saying the same thing and then nothing happening. Anyway, there are only 6 months to go. So if Mr. Rajinikanth is coming to politics, we will know within the next 3 to 4 months.
The two Dravidian parties, AIADMK and DMK, have already started their groundwork for the elections. Kamal Haasan has also kicked off his work for the state polls. So far, Rajini's political blockbuster has been, however, a no-show.
நான் எப்போ வருவேன் எப்படி வருவேன் யாருக்கும் தெரியாது ஆனா வர வேண்டிய டைம்ல கரெக்ட்டா வருவேன். These are the famous lines of superstar Rajinikanth in the film Muthu, which says, "Nobody knows when I'll come, how I'll come, but when the time is right, I will be there at the right spot." And Rajinikanth seems to be taking these lines very close to his heart. In fact, during all his political announcements also, he has been saying, "When the time is right, I will make my appearance." But with just 6 months around for the state assembly election, the question of when will Rajinikanth enter politics still remains. With camera person Daniel from Chennai, this is Akshay Nath for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.